Hello and welcome back to Chatterbox English. I'm Elena.
And I'm Pavel. Today, we're going somewhere that connects people across distances. The post office. Sending a postcard or a parcel in a new country can be a puzzle, but we're going to solve it together.
Exactly. It's all about knowing what to ask for. So, Pavel, imagine you're on a trip. You want to send a postcard and a small souvenir back home. What's your first thought?
I need an envelope for the postcard and a box for the souvenir. And stamps. But how do I know which stamp to buy?
That's the key question. You don't choose the stamp yourself. You tell the clerk what you're sending and where. They calculate the price. So you approach the counter and say, "Hi, I'd like to send this postcard to Germany, please." They will ask if you want it to go standard or faster.
What are the options usually?
For letters and cards, it's often first class, faster, more expensive, or second class, slower, cheaper. For international mail, it might be standard or international tracked and signed. They might ask, "How would you like to send it?"
Okay, so for my souvenir, let's say a mug, it's more fragile. I need a parcel service.
Right. The word you need is parcel or package. You'd say, "I need to send this parcel to Italy." Then comes a series of important questions. Be ready for them. They will likely ask, 1. What's inside, for customs, 2. What's the value, for insurance, and 3. Would you like it tracked or insured? Tracking lets you follow it online.
So I should decide about insurance before I go. What if I don't know the weight?
They will weigh it for you. That's what the scales are for. A key phrase is, "Could you weigh this for me, please?" After weighing, they'll tell you the price. That will be £18.50 with tracked delivery.
Let's do a practice. I'll send that postcard. You be the postal clerk.
Sure, go ahead.
Hello. I'd like to send this postcard to Poland, please.
Certainly. We have standard airmail, which takes 5 to 7 days, or priority for a little more. Which would you prefer?
Standard is fine, thank you.
That will be £2.20, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll put the stamp on for you. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Simple and clear. Now, a more complex one. You are sending the fragile mug to your friend in Canada. You want it tracked and insured because it's valuable.
Okay. Hi, I need to send this parcel to Canada, please. It's a ceramic mug, so it's fragile.
All right, I'll need you to fill out a customs form stating the contents and value. Do you have an estimated value?
Yes, I'd say about 30 pounds.
And would you like to add tracking and insurance for the full value? It's highly recommended.
Yes, please. I'd like it tracked and insured.
Perfect. Let me weigh it. With international tracked and insured delivery, the total comes to £24.80.
That's fine. Here's the customs form completed.
Excellent, Pavel. You used the key words fragile, customs form, tracked, and insured. The clerk knew exactly what you needed.
It feels good to be specific. What if I need to receive a parcel, like a pickup notice is in my mailbox?
Ah, you mean a failed delivery card or something for you to collect. You take that card and your ID to the post office. You say, "Hello, I have a collection card for a parcel." They'll ask for your ID and have you sign for it.
So the algorithm is 1. State what you're sending and where. 2. Answer the clerk's questions, contents, value, service type. 3. Use the specific vocabulary, parcel, tracked, insured, fragile. 4. For receiving, bring the card and ID.
Perfect summary. The post office is very procedural. If you follow these steps, you'll navigate it smoothly in any English-speaking country. Your connections will never be lost in the mail.
Thanks, Elena. Another everyday mystery solved.
My pleasure. Happy posting, and thank you all for learning with us.
See you next time on Chatterbox English.